Welcome back to BJ English News, where we bring you the latest headlines. AIIMS director faces suspension over fake certificate charges. Dr. Gopal Krishna Pal, director of AIIMS Patna, is in trouble due to allegations of submitting a fraudulent OBC certificate. A 3-member committee from the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare found him guilty of abusing his position to benefit from the false document. On October 7, the ministry issued him a show cause notice demanding a response within 3 days as to why disciplinary measures should not be taken against him. The report advises his immediate removal from the post. The case has drawn significant concern, with the director's fate now in the ministry's hand. Ex-IAS RJD leader jailed over money laundering scandal. The Enforcement Directorate (ED) arrested former IAS officer Sanjeev Hans and ex-RJD MLA Gulab Yadav on money laundering charges. They were apprehended on October 18 in separate operations, Hans in Patna and Yadav in Delhi. Their arrests are part of a broader investigation into their alleged involvement in illegal financial activities, including the acquisition of Benami properties worth crores in various locations like Mohali and Kasauli. Following these arrests, both were presented in court and subsequently transferred to Beur jail. Further legal proceedings will determine their long-term consequences. Pappu Yadav demands justice in Saran toxic liquor deaths. Amid rising deaths from toxic liquor in Bihar's Saran district, former MP Pappu Yadav visited the victims' families and provided financial aid. He criticized the Nitish Kumar government holding them responsible for the tragedy and called for strict punishment, including life imprisonment for those involved in the illicit liquor trade. The death toll has climbed to 47 across Bihar, with 13 deaths in Saran alone. Yadav demanded swift action against corrupt officials and liquor traders. The issue has sparked whispered public outrage calling for a complete overhaul of the system. Hemant Soren performs rituals before Jharkhand Assembly elections. Jharkhand's Chief Minister Hemant Soren visited his ancestral village Nimra to perform rituals and seek blessings ahead of the upcoming Assembly elections. Accompanied by his mother and wife, Soren conducted traditional prayers to his family deity, underscoring the importance of cultural traditions in his life. He interacted with villagers, listening to their concerns, and later expressed his confidence that the India coalition would win with a strong majority. His political journey continues to blend modern governance with deeply rooted traditions. Barhet constituency remains JMM's stronghold, defies opposition shift. The Barhet constituency in Jharkhand remains a bastion for the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, JMM, with Chief Minister Hemant Soren at its helm. The constituency, home to a large tribal population, has repeatedly shown unwavering support for the JMM's bow and arrow symbol, deeply associated with tribal leader Birsa Munda. In the 2019 election, Soren secured 54% of the votes, outpacing the BJP by 19%. Barhet's voters prioritize their cultural identity, making it difficult for the opposition to make any inroads. Political observers expect similar results as election campaigns intensify.